Welcome to Crack Defense. Let's quickly get started. So first we have here structure of atom. It is comprising of protons, neutrons and electrons. Now number of protons in an atom makes atomic number. Number of protons per number of neutrons together comprises mass number. And important thing to note here is 92 is the highest atomic number of an atom available in nature, and that belongs to uranium. Now coming to the topic, isotopes. Now what are isotopes? These are variant of particular chemical element which have same atomic number but different atomic mass number. For example, we can say isotopes of hydrogen. So there are 1H, 2H, 3H. That is, this one is protium, this one is known as deuterium, and third one is known as tritium. So protium and deuterium are more stable than the third one. Let's come to next point, that is radioactivity. Now the spontaneous and uncontrolled disintegration of certain heavy atoms with emission of alpha, beta or gamma rays. That is what radioactivity means. Now uranium, that is 238, which occurs naturally radioactive, but it is not easily found in the environment. So its isotope, that is uranium 235, is abundant in nature. So it is used to make plutonium 239, which is actually used in many of the radioactive chemical processes. Now, the process to change one element into another is done by transmutation. Now coming to the point, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Now both of them are nuclear reactions which creates a lot of energy, but they are a little different. Now nuclear fission is basically where splitting of heavy and unstable nuclei happens and they are turned into lighter nuclei at the end is fission. Whereas you have nuclear fusion, in this process there are two nuclei which combine together and releases vast amount of energy while combination. That is what fusion is. This is fission, this is fusion. Now coming to the composition of sunlight, there are three major components. We have ultraviolet rays, which has shortest wavelength and produces fluorescence in certain substances, which is harmful to skin because of its oxidizing effects. So we have ultraviolet as the first composition element. Then we have WebGR, which is the visible spectrum visible to our human eyes. Third is the infrared, which has the longest wavelength and which actually produces the heat in the sun. Important thing to note here is a very simple point, that is frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength always. Thank you so much.